mountains touch the sky, hearts learn how to fly. Gilgit, baltistan, where dreams will never die. Hunza smile, scholars calm, stories in each stone. Every path feels like a prayer. I've never felt alone. The glaciers guard the centuries. The lakes reflect my name. In your silence I found strength. In your beauty flame. Oh, Gilgit, baltistan, land of endless grace. Peace flows like your rivers, soft and full of faith. Under crystal skies, truth is crystal clear.